Hello, namaste. How are you all? I'm fine. Hope the same from your side. Today, let us see how we should be emotionally detached and why. Many times, what happens? We get into the emotions because of our emotional attachment. We won't be able to overcome some of our problems. Now, what is this emotionally detachment? Emotional detachment means not ignoring, not being heartless. It means spending ourselves without any expectations. Have friendship in a natural way, but don't expect. Many times we tell that I have helped him such a lot, but he hasn't helped me in my bad time. We feel sad. This is emotional attachment. We should be emotionally detached. Means we should not be bothered whether he helps me or not. Or many times about the children. We say we look after them, we have spent such a lot, we have sacrificed such a lot. Now they have grown up, now they are not bothered about us, this and that. Now tell me, is it right? Look at the animals, wild animals, let it be. Look at the lioness. She looks after her cubs. When they grow up, she tells, now go and look after yourself. She never expects anything from them. But it is different when we are concerned about our own children. Now, how we can overcome this emotional attachment? How we can be emotionally detached? It is very easy if we follow it. We should go for excellence. We should make excellence as the center of our life. We should be after our aim or goal or whatever it is. For example, Einstein. He was after excellence. He liked his physics, he loved his physics. He never bothered whether his friends come to him, talk to him. When they come, he used to talk to them and everything. Again, back, he is to his work. Usually, what happens, being the from our childhood, we always feel that I want to make my dad proud. I want to make my mama proud. And to make them proud, we are after some emotions. We chase money, in other words. We feel that if we get a good job, if we get nice placement, big package, we will make them happy. So emotionally, we are here. We are attached. So emotionally, we run after money here. We don't go after excellence. What I mean is, we should be after excellence, not about emotions, especially in foreign countries, when the children are 16, 17, they are living their own. They are concentrating on their own. Their parents won't tell them you become a doctor or engineer or an IAS officer, nothing. They go after excellence. So they become great painters, dancers, singers. Their own field they choose. So we should not choose the field of choice of others. We should look after for our choice, our excellence. And whatever we are doing, it should not be to make a show off to others. No, it is for our own liking. It doesn't mean even if others dislike us. When we achieve our excellence, you are knowing, people naturally they like us, and when you reach excellence, even wealth also attracts you, because excellence attracts wealth. So we should be careful enough. We should not go after emotions. What generally we do is we go after emotions. We don't go after excellence. Whatever I like, I am not bothered about it. I am bothered what others talk about me, what they will tell me. If I do this, what my own people or my relatives, what they will think. Though I like that field, I am not going after it. Why? I am bothered about the emotions of others. So, we should not do this. We should be like, as I told, how the animals. They look after the cubs, they make them, you are knowing, and then they leave them on their own. They don't expect anything. But we human beings, we expect from others, and that is why we are caught in this attachment. And when we are caught in this attachment, we start chasing money. And many times we do this to make a show off. We sacrifice ourselves. Why? To show off to others. Many times we see so many people earning well. Even then, they go on making show off. That is why they are not able to save even small amounts. So, we should always focus on ourselves, on our excellence. And if we are concentrating on our excellence, we don't expect anything from others. There is no burden from others. It is not necessary for me to make my dad proud or my mother proud or my siblings proud. No. I have to make myself proud. What I like, I have to do that. Then I have to believe in myself. I have to believe in my strength. No other burden. I know that yes, I can do. I will do this because it gives me happiness. And if we go after this, if we go after our liking, our belief, then naturally we will be, what I can say, much more free, much more happy, much more independent. So we should learn how we should be detached from these emotions. Because when we are caught in these emotions, we can't go out, we can't move out, we can't see what I want. Because I am bothered what others will talk about me. Emotionally, I am caught. No, we should be detached from emotions. Detached means, okay, speak to them, have good relation, but don't sacrifice your own self to others. If you sacrifice, what happens? You will be losing your own liking. Know your strength, know your happiness, believe in yourself, and go according to that. Have a nice day.